going to ask you 3 questions. Would you like more time? Would you like more money? Would you like more freedom in your life? If the answer is yes to any of these questions, then you really need to watch this video. There are people frustrated with their life. They don't want to spend the next 20, 30, 40 years of their life trading time for money, because if you're trading time for money, you can't have both. I found a company that I'm now representing. For the past 25 years, I owned an advertising agency. I thought if I owned my own business, I could have both time and money and do the things I want to do. I learned that going from an employee to becoming self-employed, I'm still trading time for money. And this has taken me farther away from my goals of having time and financial freedom to do the things that I want to do. Now, the world has been continually changing in the last 40 years. The internet has evolved so much and has created new opportunities to tap into in this new digital economy. It's allowing e-commerce entrepreneurs to have the ability to tap into new systems to leverage their time. 70% of Americans want to own their own business but don't have the knowledge or the money. In 2017, there was over $400 billion spent on online shopping. There's this huge opportunity to leverage time and create the income to be able to do the things that you want to do instead of the things that you have to do. You see, at this stage of my life, I accepted the fact that I was going to have to work the rest of my life in order to support myself and my family. Until I discovered a system that with some upfront effort, I can leverage time to generate a passive residual income. It's a system that I researched and personally witnessed and saw the results of lives being dramatically changed. They have the time and the financial freedom to do the things they love. Wouldn't it be nice to have another income stream that generates money week after week, month after month, 24 hours a day? This is the leverage that can create more time with your family, more time with your friends, and do the things that you always wanted. To have time to travel, to give to charity, to help a friend or a family member in need. It doesn't matter if you don't have experience. It doesn't matter if you're not tech savvy. It doesn't matter if you have little time. It doesn't matter how old you are or what stage of life you're in. It doesn't matter who you are or where you came from. If you're willing to be teachable, if you're willing to learn some new skills, you can do this. I look forward to seeing you soon.